Hello everyone, I'm Phantom. Welcome back to Batman Arkham Knight. Now, you might guys are wondering, Matthew, didn't you complete this game like yesterday? And the answer is yes, I did. But we haven't done the Arkham episodes, which is the Harley Quinn story pack, Red Hood story pack, A Matter of Family, Catwoman Revenge, GCPD Lockdown, and a flip of a coin. All the DLCs. We're gonna do them. I mean, we're gonna start off with Robin and Nightwing, because birds of feather flock together. I'm sorry. Yeah, I guess we'll start with Nightwing here. But before this, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, support my channel, support pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome. And yeah, don't forget the like button, comment down below, what's your favorite thing about Nightwing? I probably said that, but yeah, you know. Sorry, forgot to lock the door. Anyways, yeah, what's your favorite thing about Nightwing? What do you like about him? I don't know, I really like his nightsticks, or whatever they're called. Yeah. And also, don't forget to join Dragon Horse by subscribing and ring the bell icon so you get notified whenever and wherever I upload. Actually, scratch that. Who's your favorite out of the sidekicks? Robin, or Dick Grayson, Jason Todd, or Tim Drake? Me? I don't know. I think they're all cool. Anyways, let's start. Alright. If you guys didn't read that, prevent Penguin's escape from the GCPD lockup. That seems about easy, I guess. Alright. Barely hear the TV. Gonna have to. There we go. Oh, hello. Here I am. There's Dick Grayson.
Nefarious characters, check. Ill-gotten money, check. Distinct lack of brain cells, definitely check. Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Oh, this is electric blast.
I'm starting to like Bloodhaven. I mean, what are the chances?
Okay. Oh. Oh, when did he get that? Activate.
Told us where to find it.
Activate.
The bat started raining on his parade.
And
He had us put a little
activate.
in reserve, well away from Gotham.
Yeah,
Do I have to do that?
but I heard Nightwing's
God
back
dang
in
it.
town.
Oh, what?
He treats guys like us to a
Alright.
fault. It's like his job.
See.
Well, if he shows his face, he's gonna get his ass.
There we go. Power up. Power up. Shoot. Hey. Alright. Try this again. Power up.
Stay in his
Damn
good
it.
book. We should see some of this cash too.
But you ain't gonna do that. Oh, god dang it.
Boys, Gotham.
Alright, go over here. There. There we go. Nice. Finally. Alright. Alright. Maximum effort, everybody. Whee! Hello. There we go. Who's up? You are. And you are. Nope. No. Go to bed. There you go. Nope. Oh, you... What? Oh, come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Down you go. There we go. And nice. We took down the giants. Ouch! Idiot! There we go. Nice. Oh. Well, time for your morning night juice. Or whatever. Alright, come back here. Nope. Nice. That's cool. I think I remember. Yep. Man, that shark is fast. And stupid at the same time. Anyways, what are we doing over here? Investigate the van for info.
You're in jail, Cobblepot. What are you doing with all this?
Oh.
You're gonna get it, man.
Ooh.
And you were doing so well.
Nice.
You're headed to Gotham. What for?
I ain't telling you nothing.
Okay.
You know 50,000 volts to the head hurts, right?
Oh.
Okay, they're busting him out of GCPD.
Oh
You're too
no.
late.
Penguin
It's already
can't go
happened.
out. He's in timeout forever.
Why so pessimistic?
I don't know. Alright. So now we're over at the GCPD. Wow. Never thought we'd be in the daylight. Alright. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh.
You know, when you fitted this thing with a self-destruct
Huh.
option, you could have asked him why.
Yeah.
That was never a
Oh,
very
hey,
popular
Lucius, what's
word
up?
in Mr. Wayne's vocabulary.
That's true.
Ah, yes. The stony-faced intractability we loved him for.
Yeah. I'm
These
still
guys,
miss
on the
him.
other hand, look very tractable.
Uh-huh.
They're tampering, Mr. Grayson. Might be an idea to stop them.
Okay.
What the bloody hell's going on up there?
Who?
Why am I stuck in a lift with no lights?
We cut the power, boss, like you said.
What an idiot. Alright. Let's see if we can... Oh, hi. What's up? Well, I want to do a sneak attack, but whatever. No. Come on. Here we go. There. Uh-huh. Nope. Oh, time for you to go to bed. Take this. Take this. Oh, awesome. Oh, I'm not gonna get hit, aren't I? Go. Nice. And kaboom.
Come on, guys. Put up a fight, please.
Yeah.
Very cooperative.
Uh-huh.
Couldn't agree more.
If you wouldn't mind
What?
installing the remote uplink device, we can see what damage they've done.
Okay. Let's do this. And there we go. God, I still love
To me, what's going on?
Bruce's toys.
Sorry, boss. We're not getting you out of there anytime soon.
Why the bloody hell not?
Because we just got our asses kicked.
Yeah.
Hang on, who's it? Oh no.
Hey, Ozzy, what's up?
The one and only Oz. Look, just relax. Now that I'm here, I'll have you
Yep.
back down and behind bars in no time.
Nice.
You know I love it when you get angry.
Okay,
Aw.
I'm connected.
Okay.
They've done a good job, but not good enough.
What?
I can reroute power, but it means rewiring some junction boxes.
Okay.
They're on the floors below.
I'm on it.
Alright. Floors below.
So,
See.
I've been thinking.
What?
You pretty much own everything
Oh,
now,
wow,
huh?
yeah.
I hope you're not going to ask me for a loan, Mr. Grayson.
But I bet you've been throwing some mad parties, right?
Oh,
Off the chain, I believe they say.
awesome.
Guys, I ain't got a clue
Oh,
what
God.
I'm looking at.
No.
Penguin don't want to hear that, man. Just fix it.
Okay. Hey, look! There's Oswald right there. Ah,
Boss feels about stairs.
it's so good to see him.
Gets angry, then he gets the
Alright. Now. There we go. Nice. Here we go.
You okay, boss?
Alright.
I'm having the time of my life in
Now
here.
let's go down here. Oh, that's a machine gun guy.
Pitch black. I hate the dark. Brings back memories.
Oh.
Bad one.
Alright.
I'm sorry, I can't help.
Okay.
I could sing you a song.
God, this ain't happening. Anyone bored? I'm bored.
Oh, is that a healer? God dang it. Why is there a healer? And I don't have my
What's happening? Talk to me. Don't let that pretty
Oh,
little
God.
wagon. Hey, boss, you still in
Ooh, that was close.
What do you think, Numpty? Sorry, just I
Uh-huh.
heard you screaming at anyone for at least a minute. What's the latest on them fuses?
Nothing.
Oh, I'm never getting out of here. Stay positive, boss.
Yep, never gonna get out of here. There we go. No more health. Health guy.
This is taking
Go.
too long.
Relax. The cops
cops are all trapped in the lockup. They can't touch us.
Uh-huh.
It ain't the cops I'm worried.
There we go. Nice.
Hey, what happened to you?
Nothing. No. Shh, shh. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Nice. Okay, what kind of gadget am I working with here? I got the whatever those M-Strix is. Oh, I got the sound voice synthesizer. Nice. Okay. I can't do kaboom. I can't do kaboom just yet. That's a no-no right now, actually. There's some guys coming this way. I don't really want to go see those guys just yet. Alright. Alright, where's the other healer? I know there's two. Okay. There's... Oh, hi!
By the left! I see him!
Now. Now. Whew, that was close. I didn't see that guy right behind me. Alright. Just go over here. Right. Alright. Oh. You strayed far from your path, buddy. And now, you're history. Awesome. That's such fun. Oh, I don't have my extra health.
Yeah, everything's rosy. What do you think?
Okay, so there's two guards down there.
Keep it together. Let's not lose track of each other, okay?
Alright. Oh, well, found a hidey hole. Never mind, that's not a hidey hole. Okay.
I'm running out of air in
Oh. Oh, he's claustrophobic.
You don't kill, remember?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's manslaughter. Culpable homicide. Oh, my legal team's
Uh-oh.
gonna eat you alive. Open up!
Oh, maybe I should just leave it in there a couple of minutes. Maybe you'll soften up, egghead.
Oh, man. We're screwed. The kid's too fast.
Okay.
One bullet to put him down. We can do this.
Alright. Just need to find an opening. On another note, let me try going up there. Hello.
Gotta see how bad this guy's hurt.
I'll keep watch. I don't believe this.
He's tearing us to pieces.
Go.
How the hell do we take this?
Nice. Boom. Whee.
Back and regroup. He is not taking us down.
Where is that big machine guy? There he is. Alright. Oh, he's coming this way.
Where is he? How the hell should I know? I knew this was a bad idea.
There we go. Nope. Oh, I did it. No. There we go. And there we go. Boom. Alright. And here we go. Whew. Nice. I am the woohoo.
Is he gonna be okay?
Close.
Good idea. He's kicking our ass.
Alright.
He ain't got us yet.
I get the feeling that's
That was
just
close.
We can take him, okay?
luck. I'm pretty
Uh-huh.
far from okay, man.
Forget it. This guy's out cold. Let's move on.
Oh man. Alright, looks like he's going on his own.
Sentry gun deployed. Area's hot.
Alright. Alright. And silent takedown.
What the hell was that?
Nothing.
No. Sounded like it came from over there.
Woo! Yep. Now. There we go.
I'm gonna check on this guy.
I can do it. I can do it.
Oh, crap. We got men down all over the place. He's picking us off. What? No!
Nice. Awesome.
Man, I'm good.
Yeah, you are. We only took barely a hit. A few hits, but yeah. Alright. Now let's take care of this.
Junction box rewired.
Good work, Mr. Grayson. One more to go.
Oh, there's two?
The newlyweds sent their regards, by the way.
Oh!
Miss Gordon Drake, I should say.
Oh.
Was kind enough to send some pictures.
Nice.
Island retreat looks lovely.
That's so
Aw,
cool.
My heart melts.
Aw, they did get married. How nice. Now time for Dick to propose to Starfire. I know it's not from this universe, but shut up. Can you blame me? Shut up. All right. So the last conjunction box should be down. There we are. Bippity boppity boo. There we go. Nice. And perfect. There we go.
Okay, Lucius, we're done.
Uh-huh.
Re-establishing power now.
Cool.
Yes, the lights is on.
Oh.
Get out of here, pretty boy.
Uh-huh.
I can hear the welcome party as we speak.
Okay.
Mr. Grayson, we have a problem. 2 choppers are dropping off reinforcements on the
goody.
roof. I'll hold the elevator, but it won't take long for them to get him out.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
stop him. Oh,
Ooh.
and while you're at it,
Yes.
cut the lights.
Nice. All right, let's go up. Whee! All right. Now let's go up here. Oh. Hey, buddies, what's up? Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Ow. Go. Nice. Took down one giant. Aye. No, you're not allowed with their guns. No playing with guns. Who said you can play with guns? Oh, come on, he was right.
I'll slow you.
Yeah, are you now? Come on. There we go.
The vent, take him out.
There we go. Nice. Lost your big guy now. Okay, no, I was actually gonna hit that guy with the shield. There we go. Ouch. There. Have an air vent. Oh, good, you're a ninja. Uh-huh. Oh. There we go. Knocked out. Nope. Okay. Nope. Alright. Bad ninja. Go down. Nice. No. Back down.
I
Nice.
should shut my eyes. Might even things up a little.
Okay.
Okay, Oz. Let's get you out of that elevator.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Let's go get Oz out of the elevator. Elevator. There we go.
Area secured, Lucius. Reconnect power to the elevator.
Yeah. Cool.
Hey, boss. We're getting
He's
you
doing
out.
it again.
You are. Where's Nightwing?
Oh, he's
Oh,
right
that's
here.
funny.
We thought you'd want to say hello.
Oh, I do.
Oh, that's nice. Hey, Oswald, what's up?
Nah, son of.
Oh, go back in there, you goof. Hey, there's a bird out of his cage.
Much obliged. Maybe we should get that light on the roof fixed. Change the symbol. What do you say?
I don't know.
Thanks for the offer. But this isn't permanent.
What?
Hey, little man.
What does that mean? Is
Place
Nightwing
hasn't
gonna
been
be
the same
Batman?
without you.
Get stuff.
I mean, in the comics, he was Batman. There we go. And that was, the GCPD lockup. Now let's do a flip of a coin, because we got plenty of time. I mean, if we have a little bit more time, we'll do a little bit of probably Batgirl's mission thing. Yeah.
You know,
All right.
technically this is still our honeymoon, Barb.
Oh, so this is
Should
what
be on a beach.
newlyweds are doing.
Honeymoon.
Who needs a tropical island when you've got a waste disposal facility to infiltrate?
Yeah.
I'm cracking up here.
Okay.
Sorry.
So what are
Alarm
they doing?
system's disabled.
Uh-huh.
You're up?
Oh,
I'm
awesome.
inside. Not on the beach.
Look,
Oh.
I'm not happy about it either.
Okay.
But Two-Face breaks out of jail? We can't just ignore that.
Yeah.
Depends on how far away the beach is.
We
Okay.
need to put him away, Tim.
Yeah, I know.
For good this time.
Yep.
What are we looking at?
I'm not seeing much waste disposing going on here. They're
Okay.
processing money.
Oh,
Lots of
goody.
money.
There's a...
Security?
Enough to keep me busy.
Be careful in there. It's different now.
I don't want to do that.
You're on your own.
Yeah.
Are you leaving me already?
That's not what I...
I
Don't worry,
fear
Barbie.
that.
I got this.
But
Where
whatever.
did all of this come from? I thought
Go.
GCPD seized them.
Alright. So... I need to take care of that guy.
Around in Gotham, we were hitting Bloodhaven banks.
Alright.
No one's stopping us this time.
Come on. Take care of you. Nice. Whee! Now let's take a look-see around. Oh, gotta take care of the healer. Right. Alright.
You're starting to move
Okay.
like he did.
Stop me if I start getting as moody.
Uh-huh. Upsy daisies. Nice. Okay, what do we have? We got the shield, technology, explosives, snap flash, shuriken, and my grapple thing, of course. Alright, but no explosives. What's wrong with all the Robins and no explosives? What, did Batman ground them from explosive?
In the loading bay!
Uh-huh. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. Recharging ability, prefer silent take perform a silent by perform and take to a silent takedown. Let's go in here. Underneath the ground board. That should be nice. Ooh. Oh wait, crap. There's too many eyes here.
Can't help it. He's out cold. People look
Yep. I destroyed all your healers.
Hey, this guy still breathing?
Oh, come
Over by the skull. I'll back you up.
on. Alright.
Charge another one. How's he doing?
Take you out. Nice.
Okay. You're working your way through the room.
Okay.
Keep it up.
Alright. That's what I'm trying to do. Not get killed. Here we go. Nice.
Incinerator's clear.
You're down. Okay. And take you down. Nice. Okay. Let me try. Can I not go up there?
Pretty hard, man. He's been working out.
You kidding me? Kid couldn't throw a punch
Okay.
if he tried.
Scotty's face says something different.
Alright. Nice. There we go. Awesome. Okay.
What happened to you?
He got hurt. Pretty bad. Right. So let me go over here.
Not again. That freak thinks he's got us scared.
Okay.
Speak for yourself.
Nope.
Help! Over here! He's getting away!
Am I now?
Ain't getting
Boom. And bop.
You've taken out over half.
Nice.
You got this, Tim.
Yeah, I do.
Let's see. There's something under the floor.
No. Nothing.
This'll flush that freak out.
Uh-oh.
Deploy charge. 3, 2, 1.
Grapple. Eh.
Can't help him. He's out cold.
Whew, that was close. Alright. Let's see. Let's go down here. 5 left. Perfect.
Show yourself.
What are you doing? You'll know where we are.
No.
Good. I'm sick of playing around.
Oh, damn it. Okay. What are you doing, idiot?
See all those skulls, kid?
Hey,
I
hey.
just decided yours is gonna sit right alongside.
Nope.
Stuffed full of money.
Nice. Cool.
They're on the ropes. Let's bring this home.
Yeah, there's only 3 left.
Everything's great. Try not to get my ass kicked.
2 left. I'm coming. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Let's bring you here. Alright. Come on. A little closer, buddy. A little closer. A little closer than that. Oh, hello. And goodbye.
The foreman's in the control room.
Uh-huh.
He'll know where Two-Face is hiding.
I'll make him talk.
Yep.
Really?
What?
What?
Nothing.
Oh,
Barbara, I know when you want to say something.
what?
Okay, it's just
What?
you were always the good cop.
Okay.
Good cop, huh? Okay.
Alright. Let's go up here. Whee! Nice. Alright, let's go over here. Doing my good bird boy jog. And now let's open interrogate. Hey!
Where is he?
Yeah, where is he?
I ain't scared of you.
Oh god.
Where?
Yeah, where is he?
Okay, I'll talk.
What?
He's in the main office.
Main office,
I swear.
okay. Good night. Ooh, right in the back of his
Not
head.
bad, huh?
Very scary, honey.
Nice. Alright. Now,
I know you're in here, kid.
oh.
Still fighting the good
Hey
fight.
Harvey, what's up?
I'd leave while you can.
Okay, so we got
Or come face me. Let's see if the
Gunman.
boy wonder can cope without the bat to hold his hand.
okay.
You can do this, Tim.
Uh-huh.
Took out the guys in the incinerator.
He's
Okay.
going for Two-Face.
That means he's coming through here.
So
It's the
how
only way.
do I
He's arriving here. He ain't going no further.
how do
Not
I
alive, anyway.
Oh
got
wait,
guts.
I think I see
give him that.
see a way.
He's freaking deluded. All that time working.
All
for
right.
that. He thinks
Let me
he's
just
better
go
than he is.
slide
Yeah.
slide down
That psycho
here.
left some pretty big shoes to fill.
Too big for Bert.
Okay.
I almost feel sorry for him.
Oh wait.
No.
Okay.
How's it going?
Slow.
Tim,
Yeah.
stop that.
Oh.
You're not him.
So everyone keeps telling me.
Okay.
Good. I'm glad you're not. You can be better. I know it.
Uh-huh.
He's got any sense. Take one look at this and leave.
Let's see. I don't. Ooh, do I? Oh wait, I do have explosives. What the? I could have used these the whole time.
You feel abandoned. I know what that's like.
Uh huh.
He let me down too.
Okay.
This is the work.
All right. Now let's go grapple up. Nice. All right. Do I have another tool that? Nope, I don't. Okay.
You know, I realized the other day, it's actually a pleasure coming
Uh-huh.
to work since you know who picked the dust.
There we go. And detonate.
What just happened? The big guy's down.
Stay near the turret, okay? We'll be fine.
He had a minigun. And
Uh huh.
fine.
There we go. And. Alright. This. Ow! Oh god, no! No! Stop it! Damn it! How am what was I supposed to do?
Hey, look,
God
guys.
dang it.
I winged me a bird. Let's put him out of his misery.
Ow, that was my face. I
Much
don't know what
firepower
to
for me
do.
to take head on. Gotta be another way.
Yeah, I
He's going for
see it's right in
Two-Face.
there.
That means he's coming through here. It's the only way.
Okay.
He's arriving here. He ain't going no further. Not
Slide
alive,
down.
anyway.
He's got guts. I give him that.
Alright.
Freaking deluded. All that time working with the bat. He thinks he's better than
And
he is.
jump.
How's it going?
Slow.
Okay.
Tim, stop that. You're not him.
So everyone keeps telling me.
Good.
Oh.
I'm glad you're not.
Alright.
You can be better. I know it.
Okay. Oh, I think I knew what to do. Alright.
Anyone bored?
There we go.
You feel abandoned. I know what that's like. He let me down.
Okay. Before I go down there. Grapple up. And there we go.
This sure beats waiting for food drops in Arkham
Nice.
City.
Slide down.
You know, I realized the other day,
Alright.
it's actually a pleasure coming to work since you know who.
Okay. Got 15 seconds.
What just happened?
No.
Stay near the turret, okay?
Ow.
Fine. He had a minigun, and he's not fine.
Okay. Alright. Ow. Seriously, what the hell was I supposed to do?
Sorry, kid.
What?
You should have stuck to the little leagues.
What am I supposed to do? It's not being clear. Obviously, I'm supposed to
Robin's here, and he took out
hit
the
that guy.
incinerator.
He's going for Two-Face.
That means he's coming through
Uh-huh.
here. It's the only way. He's arriving here. He ain't going no further. Not alive
Alright.
anyway.
He's got guts. I give him that.
He's freaking deluded.
How's it going?
Slow.
Yeah,
Tim, stop that. You're not him.
obviously.
So everyone keeps telling me.
Good. I'm glad you're not.
Ay,
You can be
ay,
better. I know it.
No.
Jeez.
You feel abandoned. I know what that's like. He let me down too.
I just don't know what to
Anyone
do.
bored?
And so will you.
Okay. Going up here.
I want to see you off the board slightly less.
Alright. Let's see. Like that.
What just happened? The big guy's down.
Stay near the turret, okay? We'll be fine.
Okay.
He had a minigun, and he's not fine.
Uh-huh.
Hey, buddy, you okay?
Yeah, barely.
We can take this
Come on.
freak.
Nope. Nope. God, come on! Seriously, what the hell was I supposed to freaking do?
There ain't no Batman to save you now.
Fuck off. I'm not. It's not being clear. I'm literally trying to think of this in another angle. Okay, obviously,
You heard? Robin's here.
Yeah.
Guys in the incinerator.
He's going for Two-Face.
He's coming through.
Okay.
It's the only way. He's arriving here. He ain't
Hey,
going no
yeah.
further.
Up here.
How's it going?
Slow.
Tim, stop that. You're not him.
So everyone
I
keeps
literally
telling
don't know
me.
what to do.
Good. I'm glad you're not. You can be better. I know
Obviously,
it.
I'm supposed to take care of this minigun guy first.
I almost feel sorry for him. Really? No.
Feel
Go.
abandoned. I know what that's like. He let me down too.
Yep.
I lost him.
The big guy's down.
Stay near the turret,
Uh-huh.
okay? We'll be fine.
He had a minigun, and he's not fine.
Don't know what to do.
Sensors disabled.
Uh-huh.
But the other drone will be back online.
Okay. I literally don't know what to do. Maybe I'm supposed to wait for my cue? That's all I can think about.
What's happening out there? Everyone okay?
Pretty far from okay.
Okay, just keep calm and we'll be good.
Alright. There we go. Alright, can I... No. Okay, let me reset that counter. Nice. Alright. No. Woo! That was close. Hang on. Reset. Thank you. Alright. Apparently I was supposed to wait.
Yes. I've managed to hack the PA system.
Okay.
Maybe we can squawk him into submission.
Fine, Mr. Grateful. You get to listen to Harvey for a little bit longer.
Alright. Jeez.
The fat man.
Ay.
A little punk. Man, this thing's tough to break open.
Hey, what's up?
Run the boy one
Nope.
down.
There we go. No. Go to sleep. Nice. Nope. Like this. Nope. There we go. Go up. No. Ouch. Stop playing ping pong with me. There we go.
I've got a security entrance.
What are you trying to do?
Looks like a sequence mechanism.
Oh,
It's gonna take some time to hack. I'll erase ya.
okay. What? Okay. Oh! Okay. So... Oh, okay, I see it now. Okay. Okay. There we go, and there we go. Am I right?
Hey, come in.
Yes.
Shut
Uh-oh, sniper.
Heads up, Birdie.
Uh-oh. Yep, I know.
You let me win on the door, didn't you?
Oh,
Listen, people with
okay.
guns, definitely your thing.
Uh-huh.
You're all over that.
Okay.
I'm hitting you right between the eyes.
Uh-huh. You're doing so well.
Die, freak.
Okay. You're so awesome at this. Why don't you go take a nap? Hey, Two-Face, what's up? How you doing? Oh. Hello. Here we go. No! No! Oh, that's a big guy. Okay, that's a big guy. No. No gun. You lost your gun privileges, young man. Nope. Take it. And nice. Both your big guys are down. Nope. Take this. Nice. Go. There we go. What? Nope. Oh, lost my. Oh, hey, no. Hey, buddy. No. Oh. Okay. Oh. That hurt. Nope. Oh, you trying to hurt me? I don't think so. Let go. There we go. Nice. Ouch. Okay. How about thee then? No. Bow. There we go. Awesome. There we go. Nice. Go. There we go. Break the bone. There we go. Nice. And perfect. Alright.
So the boy becomes
hard.
a man.
Yeah.
Too bad it's short-lived.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, no.
No, Tim!
My foot. You dick. How could you do that
It
to him?
wasn't brave coming here.
Uh-huh.
It was stupid.
Really?
You're not the Bat.
Oh.
Never were, never will be.
Okay.
Tim, get ready.
All right, I'm ready.
Sorry, kid.
Uh-huh.
You can't do this all alone.
All right. Nope. Take this. Boom. And mine now. Nice.
Let's get this sack of crap back to GCPD.
Yeah.
We're not getting to that beach, are we?
No.
I think the honeymoon's over, Barb.
Oh. Short-lived. And that was a flip of a coin. And unfortunately, we are out of time. I mean, yeah, we couldn't do that. I guess we'll probably do that in the next episode or whatnot. But I'm just tired and I want this episode to be over. I mean, it's not like I don't like him. It's just I was busy the whole day getting ready for Thanksgiving. God, it's a nightmare to do. Hey, I can't wait till I eat turkey, honestly. Yeah. So anyways, I'm FA. I'll see you next episode. Bye-bye!